Unlock the secret of finger painting, mini canvas in hand. Warm, inviting tone. Have you ever wanted to create a painting, but felt overwhelmed by big canvases, lots of brushes, and complicated steps? What if I told you the secret lies in something as small as this, a mini canvas, and your very own fingertips? Today, I'm going to unlock the secret of finger painting on a mini canvas. And trust me, you don't need fancy tools. Just your fingers, your colors, and a little bit of imagination. Gathering the magic. First things first, let's keep it simple. You'll need a mini canvas, a few acrylic paints, some water, a rag to wipe your fingers, and, well, that's it. Optional things like a toothpick or cotton swab are nice, but not required. The beauty here is, your hands are the only brushes you need. Pause. Smile. That's the first secret of mini finger painting. It's about freedom, not perfection. Preparing the stage, you touch the blank canvas gently. Let's wake up the canvas. A plain white surface can feel a little intimidating, so I like to add a base color. Just take a little paint on your finger and smear it across. Close-up of finger-spreading paint. See how soft that looks already? Like you're whispering color onto the canvas. This background becomes the mood, the stage curtain before the play begins. Choosing the theme, excited tone. Now comes the fun part, deciding what to paint. Since this is a mini canvas, we don't want too many details. Keep it bold, keep it simple. A sunset, a single flower, a starry night sky, even just abstract swirls. One subject, one emotion. That's the secret to making it powerful. Pause for effect. Mini canvas equals mini story. Short, but unforgettable. Playing with color with 3 to 4 squeezed paints. Here's another tip. Don't overload your palette. Just 3 or 4 colors are enough. Look, I've got blue, yellow, white, and a tiny bit of black. That's it. When they mix on your fingertips, magic happens. With my index finger, I'll drag blue across the top. This will be my sky. Then, with another finger, I'll blend yellow and white. Soft light glowing on the horizon. No brushes, no stress. Just pure touch, demonstrating different finger techniques. Want to make clouds? Dab with your fingertip in little circles. Leaves? Tap with your pinky. A glowing moon? Just press your thumb gently, like a stamp. Every finger has a different personality. Cut to side angle, layering colors. This is the real secret of finger painting. You're not just adding color, you're sculpting light and texture with your hands, adding the final touches. Softer, slower tone. Now, let's step back for a moment. Does it feel balanced? A highlight there. With finger painting, the smallest dot of white can make your painting sparkle like magic. A single fingertip just turned an empty sky, sealing the secret. Once you're happy, let your mini canvas dry flat. Acrylic dries quickly, but give it at least 20 minutes. And here's a bonus secret. If you want your art to last forever, add a clear varnish. Glossy varnish makes it shine like glass. Matte varnish keeps it soft and velvety, your tiny treasure, created with nothing but your fingertips. Isn't it amazing how a little canvas can hold such a big story? Pause, emotional tone. The true secret of finger painting on a mini canvas isn't in the paint or even the technique. It's in the freedom. No rules, no pressure. Just you, your hands, and a few colors coming together to create something beautiful. Set canvas on mini easel. So grab a mini canvas, dip your fingers into paint, and unlock this secret for yourself. Trust me, you'll be surprised at what your hands can create. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more art secrets like this. And let me know in the comments, What would you paint on a mini canvas? I'd love to hear your ideas. Outro music fades in. Show montage of different mini finger paintings.